Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Dina and my channel is That Girl Dina Marie. Welcome to part 2 in the series of unboxing a huge tub from Thrift Giant here in Texas. What we're doing is everyone please pick 5 items you would like in the series. You can email me after each one to ensure that you get the pieces you'd like, and I'll be glad to hold it until the series is finished so that you can pick out the pieces that you really want. I'm going to put all of the information in the description down below so that, so you'll have all the information. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I am working on getting a better setup here. I hope this is good for everyone and everyone can see well. Let's just start out, pull something off the top. Now I hope everything is continues to be good and pieces. What do we have here? I saw this sitting on top and I really wanted to look at this. This is, this is broken. Oh, it's so pretty too. This is a little flat. See the little flower? And this is, here's the clasp. Oh, I love that clasp. Y'all, it's broken though. This piece is broken off, so it should be like so. And this looks like rose quartz. These look like glass. Y'all, this is so pretty. If anybody wants to repair it, this would be a really pretty piece. Let's measure it and see. It looks pretty short. Yeah, so it's about a 7-inch drop. If anyone can repair that, that'd be a really pretty cute piece. I wanted to see this. Wow. Whoa, this is nice. I like this. That's cool. So, I do have, oh yes. So let's check that. I do have my Presidium out. Sorry, it's kind of like upside downy. Like I said, I'm working on the presentation part. So let's see what is, I'm pretty sure this is, quartz. Yeah, that's quartz. So, yeah. Cool. Okay, now back to that. Oh, where is it? Okay, here. Y'all, this is pretty. I like that. So, so what started that is I wanted to check to see what this is. If this is, it looks like it may just be glass, though. Oh, no. Oh, so I wonder what that is. I don't know enough to be able to say what that is, guys, but it goes up. It's not glass. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, I like that. So, let's just check the size real quick so you know that whether it'll fit you or not. This is a size. It sits right at a size 7. It's not bendy. So, that's a size 7. This is really nice, guys. There's no markings on it. It's a base metal, but it's in perfect condition. There's no wear on it at all. That looks brand new. Okay. Very happy with that one. Pretty. Okay, and this was on top. I wanted to see this too. So I noticed that. This you could see looking at the looking inside the tub when I bought it. So I wanted to see what this was. Oh, that's so pretty. That's a necklace. So this is like a lacquer-y stuff in there, and these feel, yeah, they're acrylic, but y'all, that's really pretty. And it's on a chain, a real lightweight chain with a lobster claw, and it's in just perfect condition, guys. Look. really pretty, and it has a, let's check the measurement. It's a 14-inch drop, and the pendant is an additional 3 inches. Again, perfect condition, no wear at all. It's really super cute. Like that? Yeah, pretty. And this one. I wanted to see this. Ugh, I hate how all this is just so tangly. Oh, that's cute. Okay, we'll look at you next. Hold on a second. Okay. Is this, oh, that's one piece. Okay. Y'all, looks nice. So these are acrylic. Okay, it goes like that. Oh, please don't be missing stuff. Don't be broken. Yeah, so it goes like so. Oh, let's get close and look at that. Yeah, so it looks like all the pieces are there, and it has this slinky chain, and there's no wear. It's a gold tone, and it has an extension. Here, let's back out a little bit. Yeah, ooh, where'd I put that? Y'all, this is really pretty. This is really nice. So it is a 7-inch drop, and it's 8 inches all the way down to the bottom of the yellow, and then there's an extra 1 inch extension. There's two little circly things for the, oh, and I think, yeah, let's look at that. Let me get my little thing. Liz Claiborne. This is a Liz Claiborne piece, and it's in perfect condition, guys. I don't see any. There's no rhinestones missing. There's no wear. This is literally brand new. This is so pretty. That's neat. I like that. Let's, y'all, look at this. That's crazy. Oh yes, look at this. Okay, we can look at this real quick. This is acrylic, and it is sizable, but right now it's teeny tiny, and it's just a little white ring with a silvery metal. Oh boy, that's hard to see. Okay, right now it's at a size 7. I'm sitting there thinking, saying 7 is teeny tiny. I have really big hands. Ooh, I got stuff on there. So anyway, it's white, it's acrylic, and it's got a texture on it, and it looks like it's a little yellowed right there. So, but there's no wear on it, and you can see the glue. So it's kind of just really a cheapy made ring. Let's look at this ring. Oh, well, that's really pretty. Again, this looks brand new. It looks brand new. Look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. It's got little blue rhinestones embedded and white ones. That's so pretty, y'all. And it's like all silver sheen. I like that. That's cool. Okay, the size is, this is a size 8. So yeah, that's pretty. Yes, this is all nice. Okay, how about this? I saw this too and I wanted to look at it. Those are real pearls. It's a, what do they call this? A memory bracelet, and it's still very I mean, it just looks brand spanking new. And this is something we should probably test for sterling. Let's look at that. Let's see. Little place we can test. Okay, that's not. Well, maybe. Let's try. It doesn't look like the right color. Nope, ate it right up. Okay, so it's not sterling, but those are real white pearls on there. So yeah, that's really pretty. So it sits on the mandrel. Right at about a size. What is that? A size 7. Yeah, that's really pretty. It looks brand new too. And ooh, that has lost its stretch. Oh, that's too bad because it's really pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, well, it used to look like that. And it was super cute. And now it looks like this. So, if anybody wants that for crafting. Okay, it looks like this didn't make it back over to the pile when I moved it over. This is Galveston Island, Texas. So that's somewhere a lot of us here in Texas go to the ocean. It's Galveston Island. This is a really nice little souvenir piece. It goes on a necklace. It's cute. It's really, really cute. Yeah, I mean it has no wear or anything, so that's like a cute little what is that? Tourist piece. That's cute. Just dig in like this and see what we come up with. Alright. This is a gold tone bracelet that is broken. So we're gonna pass on that. And here's the little ring. This is just a little plastic ring. It's blue. The ring is blue and the rhinestones are blue, and I bet those are little plastic rhinestones too. It's still a cute little ring though. I like it. Hold on. Boop. Size 7.5. Cute. Oh, sorry. Oh my. That was loud. Okay. What's next? Okay. Okay. Oh yes. This was ooh, what's happening? Why is that? Hold on a second. There's something on my screen. Oh wait. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's something on my screen. And I don't, oh, there, it went away. Okay, good. Okay, so here is, like I was saying, you can see this is on the very top of the tub. So it's a necklace, and it's got a little butterfly. It's silver tone, and it comes down to these little acrylic, what is that? So it's an, like a Buddha head, and a little acrylic stone, and a little acrylic leaf. And the little butterfly is metal, and he's just kind of off-center set on there. So that's really cute. It's on a silver chain. Has a lobster claw. Oh, okay, so it has a maker. So let's look and see who makes this. Lucky Brand. Okay, so this is Lucky Brand. Lucky Brand is a nice little brand. So this is really cute. And again, no wear at all. Great condition. So from the thing right there, it goes to it's a 10-inch drop, and then all the dangly bits are about 2 inches. So yeah, that's pretty. In perfect condition. Y'all, I'm happy with this box. Or tub. It's a tub. It's just so much. It's just so much. Okay. See if we can get to this. Let go! Look at my Eggo. Y'all, I eat an Eggo every night. That's my dessert. I love Eggos. I heat my butter up and then I melt it. I melt it and put it on the Eggo. Heat up my syrup, pour it on there, and it's my midnight snack. I love Eggos. Okay. Okay, this is a pretty little green necklace. It is what would that be, about an 8-inch drop, and does it have a maker? It's got a tag on it, and the tag. Oh, it says Peyote Bird, but on the back it says 925. Okay, let's see if that's sterling. Okay, yay, I love finding sterling. Sterling silver nut. Yup. I don't know if that's coming through to you guys, but yeah, that is definitely sterling silver. Okay, awesome. Peyote Bird, and this is like a I want to say olive green. It's got a real pretty sterling bit right there. Here, let's check and see if it says these little stones are anything. Let's go boop 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 boop. Oh, this way. Okay, let's see what it says, if it says anything. So it's just glass. That's glass. I mean, look at the little white ones. Okay, and the white ones are quartz. Okay. Yeah, y'all, so that's pretty. Glass and quartz. Yeah, that's great. Okay, if anyone would like that, that's really super pretty, perfect condition with sterling findings. That's so pretty. Yay, sterling silver. Give me some more sterling silver. What is in here? Okay. Oh yeah, I was gonna pull this out. Hold on a second. Just a little silver tone that, and we'll just put that up there. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. All right. Oh, this is super sweet. Look, it's a oh, what's that word? Well, anyway, it does that. So anyway, it's so cute. Okay, let me take a look at it and make sure that it's got all its little stones and stuff. It sure does. They're like goldy colored, and his little eyes are glass, and so are the rhinestones. Y'all, that's cute. Let's see if anybody makes you. I don't see anything, but it's cute. Y'all, okay, let's see. Let me look on the little doohickey. No, but guys, it doesn't look like there's maybe a slight bit of wear, but nothing that would prevent anyone from wearing it. Well, anyway, it goes through to where it's like this. Okay, let's see. It is a nice long chain. So it's a 12-inch, and then the little owl is a 2-inch owl. Oh, yay, it's pretty. I like this. Like I said, the chain has a slight bit of wear, but it's not really recognizable. You just don't recognize it. And he's got little rhinestones all across there and all across here and all in his face and big glass eyes. I mean, that's so pretty. I like him. And this came out with that other stuff. Is that Okay, no, that's a keychain. Okay, hold on a second. And that is an earring, and we'll put that in the earrings. Oh, Lord, come loose. And that is an earring back. Okay, so this is a Wicca thing. A witch's, right? Wicca. Anyway, it's silver tone metal. I don't know if that's wear or if that's just dirty right there, but besides that, it looks like it's in okay condition. It probably just needs a good cleaning, is what I would venture to guess. So the necklace is a 12-inch drop with, and the pendant is, no, it's an 11-inch drop, and the pendant is 1, 2, 3. And then it also has a 2-inch extension. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's like something I would have worn in the 90s. For sure. Okay. I don't know. What's in here? I want this. Oh, come on. I'm a-trying. Okay, let's try it this way. Let's... let go. Wait, is that on a... no. Let go! I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying. This is super frustrating. I can't. Woo! So to me, it's relaxing to watch people untangle all this stuff, but for me to untangle, it's like, I hate you. Let go. When these tiny chains get all stuck to each other, it's a nightmare. Okay, this has a little taggy on it, but it's so, wow, it's pretty. Look at that. So it's, yeah, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't tell if it's coming across just how sparkly that is. That's a really pretty piece. And it looks like the chain's in perfect condition. It's really sweet. Okay, who makes you? Another Candy Lee piece. Okay, guys, this is really pretty. That was something I would, wear. It's gorgeous. So, it's an 8-inch drop, and the pendant is a little over an inch 1.25 inches. And then it has a nice long 3-inch extension. Yeah, so that's pretty. Look at that. The silver tone. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I like that. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to put that. I don't want that to get all tangly. Y'all, this is going to take forever to go through this. This is just a giant tub. So I don't think we can do this in 3 parts even. So here is this. This is it a necklace? This is gold tone. It's really pretty. Little tassels, but it's it's like that. So it's like that. Do you just wear it over your neck like that, or do you put that on your curtains? No, I don't think so. Reminds me of Gone with the Wind, or for some reason. Yeah. Okay, but this is really pretty. There's no wear on it. It's gold tone, and it's cool. Yeah. We don't need to measure that. It's just super duper 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 long. Well, we can go ahead and do it. It is a 20-inch drop, and the little things are like an extra 2 inches. Yeah, that's cool. Big and heavy. Cool, 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 cool. What else do we have in here? Oh, that's pretty. Okay, that's acrylic. And then these are, the drop is acrylic, but these are all glass. See how sparkly shiny? Oh, and there's a little tag. Cookie Lee. Okay, not Candy Lee, Cookie Lee. Wait, what's that other one? Is there a Candy and a Cookie Lee? Cookie Lee. Okay. Yeah, so, and it's really pretty. So, let's measure that. Y'all, that's pretty, very wearable. So the drop is about an 8.5, and then it has about a 2.5 inch extension, and the little pendant's a couple of inches. So anyway, yeah, that's really pretty. Look at that. So sparkly. Pretty happy with that. Yes. Let's see if there's anything that's easy to pull out. This is a little watch. I call them grandma watches. It reminds me of my mama because she used to wear a watch like this. My daughter has that watch. It's a Waltham. I mean, it's gold tone and it's in perfect, absolutely perfect condition. It's got the little safety chain, and it says Waltham Watches Company, base metal bezels, stainless steel back, and it's got a serial number. It's really pretty. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty. Perfect condition. It's like it's brand new. No, it wasn't tangled. Yay. Okay, this is okay, so it has a little heart with rhinestones on it, and it has all its rhinestones. And it has a wishbone and an angel wing, and then they're held on by this little piece of leather with a bunch of rhinestones on it, and they're all there. And then the chain it's a silver tone chain along with a black chain that's made out of material, like a silky material. So that's a 7-inch drop, 3-inch extension, and it has a maker on it. Cookie Lee. Oh, someone must have donated a Cookie Lee collection. Pretty. It's in good condition. The material looks that's like suede. Okay, I was saying it was really bad condition, but that's like a suede. So maybe it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, pretty. 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 Okay, all right, this has a price tag on it. Okay, just another little earring. And we'll throw that up there to look at for later. So y'all, this is brand new, gold tone. I don't think I'm gonna be able to unravel this, am I? We can try. Honestly, I don't know how people do that so fast. This is just... Ugh. Y'all, I'm going to start making a pile of stuff that I'm just going to take apart. And then we can look at those with the earrings. Like, because this is too much. Oh my God, what is this? Y'all, this weighs a half a ton. This is so heavy. Silver tone and just big blocky blocks. Necklace. And look, it's got this huge lobster claw. There. Big thing to put it on. It's even got a little extender. Y'all, this is... Listen to that. Bam! That is so heavy. I'm just curious. How heavy is that? 196 grams. It's hilarious. Okay, so besides that, y'all, it's in perfect condition. There is no wear at all on it. It would lay nice. This is a nice piece. For sure. That's really nice. Alright, so let's see how long it is. Big, long, you know, whatever. So there's the little clasp. You know, I'm just doing approximate, guys. If I was selling stuff, I would do a much better thing, but I'm just sending it to you for free. Okay, it's 17 inches, and then there's just about an inch more if you wanted to use those to make it a little longer. Ooh, that's a big old heavy thing. That's crazy. That's just an earring. I thought did we see that earring already? I don't remember. Let's see if it's going to come out easy. Yeah, okay. So this is acrylic. It's kind of, you know, goldish tone. $16 inches. Honestly, you can see the glue on the inside. Is that what that is? No, you can see the glue on the inside. It has a nice clasp. It's one of those. And that's in really good condition. I mean, it's nicely constructed and everything. It's pretty on both sides. There's the clasp. I don't know. On these clear ones, it just looks like you can see kind of where they glued it together on the inside. But you could just take it as part of the design. It's not bad. But okay. How long have we been on? Okay, we've been on for 34 minutes. And we have not made a dent in this tub, you guys. Oh, boo. It has a little boo-boo. Those are glass, and it's a little stretchy. It still has its stretch. It's gold tone, but again, it's got a boo-boo. It's missing. That's a size 7. If anybody has a little rhinestone thing to fix that. These are glass and brassy and stretchy. Okay, guys. I think the video is long enough. Let's go ahead and shut it down for now. I hope you found something you like in this one. Look in the description below for the instructions on how we're going to do that, or go back and watch part 1, because I did explain all that at the beginning of the video, but I didn't want to on this one because it like really took me like 10 minutes and so it made it really long. So thank you for coming by my channel and watching. I especially want to thank all the new subscribers that came by and subscribed to my channel. I just really appreciate it. More than you could possibly know. Thank you, and I hope y'all all have a great evening. Bye.